Mountain Lake forecast for days 3 through 5. This is an important message for the following counties in Michigan: Bay, Genesee, Huron, Lapeer, Lenawee, Livingston, Macomb, Midland, Monroe, Oakland, Saginaw, Sanilac, Shiawassee, St. Clair, Tuscola, Washington, and Wayne. What? Dangerously hot conditions with heat index values up to 107 possible. Where? All of southeast Michigan. When? From Tuesday afternoon through Tuesday evening. Impacts: heat-related illnesses increased significantly during extreme heat and high humidity events. Drink plenty of fluids. Stay in an air-conditioned room. Stay out of the sun, and check up on relatives and neighbors. Do not leave young children and pets in unattended vehicles. Our interiors will reach lethal temperatures in a matter of minutes. Monitor the latest forecasts and warnings for updates. Check with local emergency management officials for information on cooling center availability. Climate Report National Weather Service Detroit. Audience the climate report for Flint for yesterday. The high was 87 with a low of 55. This created a mean of 71. 0 was the departure from normal for the day. There were 0 heating degree days. The monthly total is 0. The seasonal total is 0. There were 6 cooling degree days. The monthly total is 138. The seasonal total is 296. There was no precipitation. The monthly total is 0.68. And for the year, 17.97. Average wind speed, 2.6 miles per hour. The peak gust was 14 from the north. The normal high today is 82. The normal low 60. The record high today of 108 was set in 1936. The record low today of 45 was set in 2009. Sunrise today is 6:08 a.m. Sunset tonight at 9:13 p.m. Now the data for Saginaw. Yesterday's high was 83 and the low 58. There was no precipitation. The total for the month is 0.28. And for the year, 18.89. This is No Weather Radio, all hazards. Station KIH29 in Cloud. The station broadcasts from the National Weather Service in White Lake at a frequency of 162.475 megahertz.